Artificial intelligence is evolving at lightning speed. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools. But there's something even more powerful coming. Agentic AI. This is not just a chatbot. This is AI that can take actions, make decisions, and operate with autonomy. In this video, I'll explain what Agentic AI is, why it matters, and how it's about to reshape our world in the years to come. Welcome back. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button for the latest video alerts. Now, what is Agentic AI? Think of it as an AI employee that can research, write emails, book tickets, analyze data, and act on goals without constant human input. Unlike ChatGPT, which answers when prompted, Agentic AI is designed to take actions independently. Agentic AI, also known as autonomous AI agents, goes beyond simply answering questions. Think of it as an AI that doesn't just give you advice. It actually does the work for you. For example, instead of telling you the best flights, it will book your tickets. Instead of suggesting marketing strategies, it will run ads for your business. Instead of reminding you about your tasks, it will send emails, schedule meetings, and negotiate with other AI systems on your behalf. It's like giving AI not just a voice, but also hands and feet to act in the digital world. How does it work? Agentic AI relies on three key elements. 1. Autonomy. The AI can make decisions without waiting for your command at every step. 2. Goal-oriented tasks. You give it an objective, and it figures out the steps. 3. Integration with apps and systems. It can connect with your calendar, email, shopping apps, banking, or even other AIs. For instance, imagine you say, "Plan my weekend trip under $500. An Agentic AI will search flights and hotels, compare costs, book reservations, send you an itinerary, all without you lifting a finger. Why is Agentic AI important? This technology is important because it moves AI from being a passive assistant to an active problem solver. For businesses, companies can automate complex tasks like customer service, supply chain management, and even negotiations. For individuals, it's like having a digital secretary, financial planner, and research assistant available 24/7. For society, it could improve healthcare by monitoring patients, booking treatments, and optimizing hospital logistics. And here's the kicker. Unlike traditional automation, Agentic AI learns and adapts, which makes it much more flexible. So what does the future look like with Agentic AI? Let's look at these points. 1. Personal AI agents. Everyone might have their own AI, like a digital twin, handling life tasks. 2. AI to AI communication. Your AI could talk directly to your bank's AI, your doctor's AI, and even your employer's AI. 3. Smarter workflows. Teams and companies may not need to spend hours on meetings. AIs will coordinate, summarize, and even negotiate outcomes. 4. Global impact. Imagine solving climate change models, disaster response, and global supply shortages by letting Agentic AI simulate millions of solutions. Challenges and risks. But with great power comes great responsibility. This is obvious, seeing that learning continues every day. Here are some challenges. 1. Trust and security. Can we let AI act without supervision? Agentic AI can make decisions on its own, but this creates risks. If an AI acts incorrectly, like sending money, booking the wrong service, or misinterpreting a command, the consequences could be serious. Building secure systems and oversight is essential before granting AI full autonomy. 2. Ethical concerns. What if AI makes biased decisions? AI models learn from human data, which often contains bias. If unchecked, agentic AI could reinforce discrimination, for example, in hiring, lending, or healthcare. Ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency will be key to building ethical AI systems. 3. Job disruption. Many repetitive roles may be replaced, meaning humans need to adapt to new kinds of work. As AI takes over tasks like scheduling, data entry, and customer support, certain jobs could disappear. But history shows that new technologies often create new opportunities. The challenge is helping workers reskill and adapt to jobs that focus on creativity, critical thinking, and human-AI collaboration. Governments, companies, and individuals will need to create safeguards, rules, and oversight as agentic AI becomes mainstream. Agentic AI is not just the next step in artificial intelligence. It's a leap from helping individuals save time to transforming entire industries. This technology will change how we live and work in the coming years. So if you thought ChatGPT was revolutionary, wait until agentic AI becomes a part of your daily life. The future is closer than you think. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more deep dives into rising tech trends.